Another day, another story. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Vision Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Without any ado, let us get into our topic. Evolution is the process by which species change over time, leading to the development of new species from pre-existing ones. It is the fundamental principle of biology and explains the diversity of life on Earth. The theory of evolution is supported by a vast body of evidence from various scientific disciplines, including paleontology, genetics, comparative anatomy, and molecular biology. Key concepts. 1. Common ancestry. All living organisms share a common ancestor. Over millions of years, species have branched off from common ancestors and diversified into the vast array of species we see today. 2. Natural selection. The primary mechanism driving evolution is natural selection, proposed by Charles Darwin. It states that individuals with advantageous traits for their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on those traits to future generations. This leads to an increase in the frequency of beneficial traits in a population over time. 3. Variation and adaptation. Within a population, there is genetic variation, which arises from mutations, genetic recombination, and other genetic mechanisms. This variation provides the raw material upon which natural selection acts. Individuals with traits better suited to their environment have higher survival and reproductive success, leading to the adaptation of populations to their specific ecological niches. 4. Speciation. Over long periods, accumulated changes can result in the formation of new species. Speciation occurs when populations of the same species become reproductively isolated from each other, preventing gene flow. This can happen through geographic isolation, allopatric speciation, or within the same geographic area, sympatric speciation, due to factors like divergent selection or polyploidy. 5. Fossil record. Fossils are preserved remains or traces of organisms from the past. The fossil record provides important evidence for evolution by showing the existence of extinct species and the transitional forms linking different groups of organisms. 6. Homology. Homologous structures are similar features found in different species that share a common ancestry. For example, the bones in the forelimbs of vertebrates, including humans, bats, whales, and birds, have similar structures despite the different functions, indicating a shared evolutionary history. 7. Molecular evidence. Comparative analysis of DNA and proteins reveals similarities and differences among different species. The more closely related two species are, the more similar their DNA sequences and protein structures will be. 8. Evolutionary timescale. Evolution occurs over vast timescales, with major events occurring millions of years ago. The geological timescale provides a framework for understanding the timing and sequence of evolutionary events. 9. Evolutionary mechanisms. In addition to natural selection, other mechanisms contribute to evolutionary change. These include genetic drift, random changes in allele frequencies, gene flow, exchange of genes between populations, mutation, introduction of new genetic variation, and sexual selection, selection based on mating preferences. 10. Macroevolution and microevolution. Microevolution refers to changes within a population or species, such as changes in gene frequencies over generations. Macroevolution refers to larger-scale changes resulting in the formation of new species or higher taxonomic groups. It is important to note that while the theory of evolution explains the diversity of life, it does not address the origin of life itself, which is a separate area of scientific investigation. Thanks for watching.